Does your crush make eye contact with you but never actually talk to you? There are a few reasons they might do this. They probably like you, but are too shy to approach. They might be waiting for you to make the first move. Or they could just want to be friends. If your crush catches your eye and quickly looks away and down, they likely have feelings for you but feel shy or embarrassed. A double glance, where they look away only to look right back at you, is a huge signal that they are romantically interested and thinking about you. If they maintain prolonged eye contact for 2 to 3 seconds, smile, and drop their gaze to your mouth, that is a classic sign of attraction. Platonic eye contact usually just roams between your eyes and nose, but romantic eye contact focuses on your mouth and below. When you're ready to make your move, plan what to say beforehand to ease your nerves. Take a deep breath, introduce yourself, and kick off the conversation by commenting on your environment or asking an open-ended question. Just keep your body language open and smile. If they respond enthusiastically and mirror your posture, it's a great sign they like you back.